We're here at the Worksoft Ignite conference, where we're asking customers, what automation benefit did you get that you didn't expect?
Definitely time. Definitely time away from our analysts, because currently we spend about 4,000 hours just in regression testing a year. So being in some years, we have 2 rounds of regression testing based on enhancement packs that go through our system. So being able to free up that time from analysts, like I said, to work on projects and production support is the hugest benefit that we're looking for.
There's so many changes going into our environment, not just software changes, security changes, patches for different servers, and because we're running every day, we sort of get automatic coverage of that change. Because we're running continuously, we just say, hey, put those changes into our environment and we'll let you know if anything breaks. So it's sort of a side benefit of the fact that we have a lot automated and we're running it frequently. We can kind of absorb more changes than we ever thought we could before.
The most unexpected benefit of automation was being able to use it to generate emails from Gmail to simulate load for our CRM system, or some other, creative ways. We found that we have been able to be very creative with Worksoft.
Instead of having to create a purchase order that has 250 lines in it by hand, we can just do it by automation. Let that run while we do something else. So, a year ago you had to do the 250 lines by hand, so it took a while. Now with automation running on one machine, you can go on another and wait for that to finish and you're all set.
Well, actually the biggest benefit we've seen is the fact we've gotten it down to where we're able to run our automation suite in about a day. So we get 80% throughput in one day, and sometimes it's before the regression week even starts.
Just the creativity that we have with the product and the flexibility of it, that we can go after and test scenarios that previous were very complex manual processes, that the fact that we can really streamline that whole process and build the end-to-end scenarios, very robust capabilities of the product. So.
In one of the projects, there was a requirement that millions of records flow from one system to another system. We were able to automate that, and that was something which was humanly impossible, and we were not expecting that.
The acceptation, I think our team is being really more accepted now in this new Agile methodology we are adopting, and the rest of the teams are aware that we are doing automation to help them. So the acceptation between the other squads is really good right now.
Data generation, which is kind of a repetitive activity where they get involved and they spend there a lot of time. But with automation, I would say data generation has become really easier. We can generate hundreds of records without having anyone even looking at the screen. That's something which looks like a power of automation, where we do give the time back, as well as we see the testing times getting smaller and smaller.
It gives more accurate result to the business team, which we personally gained a lot of recognition for our organization.